Alhamdulillahi wahdah, wassalatu wassalamu ala man la nabiyya ba'dah, wa ala alihi wa ashabihi alladhina awfu ahda. Recipients of zakat. There are 8 recipients of zakat on whom paying zakat is required in Islam, and it is clearly mentioned that it is required to spend zakat on the following 8 recipients who are also based on intellectual concepts. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned in Surah Al-Tawbah, verse number 60, إِنَّمَا الصَّدَقَاتُ لِلْفُقَرَاءِ وَالْمَسَاكِينِ وَالْعَامِلِينَ عَلَيْهَا وَالْمُؤَلَّفَةِ قُلُوبُهُمْ وَفِي الرِّقَابِ وَالْغَارِمِينَ وَفِي سَبِيلِ اللَّهِ وَابْنِ السَّبِيلِ فَرِيضَةً مِّنَ اللَّهِ وَاللَّهُ عَلِيمٌ حَكِيمٌ. Sadaqah is only for poor and needy, as well as for intellects who accumulate zakat, and also for ones who are fond of each other, and also for freeing slaves and who are adept, and for the travelers. And it is on obligation by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And indeed Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is all knowing and the one who is wise. Number 1, poor. He is a person who doesn't possess anything. And number 2, needy, masakin. He is a person who has some material, but it is not sufficient for his survival. Number 3, zakat collectors. These are the government officials appointed by any Islamic republic to collect and distribute zakat. Number 4, fresh convert of Islam, mu'allafatul qulub. Such non-Muslims, zakat can be given so that it can appreciate them or they can get encouragement through it. This recipient is no more in practice like nowadays. And number 5, lenders, people who are burdened of debts. These are such kinds of people who are not in a position to pay their debts, or the ones who pay so they can become very poor. And number 6, slaves, al-riqab. The purpose of zakat is paying or payment of zakat to free a slave is known as al-riqab. And number 7, armed offensive, fi sabilillah. Paying zakat to help the people to travel for jihad and to collect necessary equipment for jihad. And number 8, traveler, ibn sabil. Paying zakat to the travelers who has his wealth in his own country, but he stays out of the country and cannot afford the expenses of traveling.